Change direction of lock body. Take front panel down. Pull up the steel plate. Rotate the latch and install front plate. Install lock body. Install cylinder. Install lock panel. Change direction of door lock.
In the beginning, you need to set the lock direction according to your door direction. Otherwise, if you try to unlock the door, the lock will lock it. If you try to lock the door, it will unlock. For example, now the lock is in the locking state. We read the fingerprint.
Now the lock itself.
But if you press the lock button, the lock will unlock. So now you need to change the direction. Press it 3 times and hash.
Press 2 to change direction. Now test.
Press the lock button.
The change is successfully. System setting.
Press star and hash. Enter the system setting. The master information is 123456 by default.
Add admin and ordinary user.
Choose one enemy setting. An enemy. Press hash to confirm. Read fingerprint.
Now this fingerprint becomes admin. Continue to set a admin password. You can continue to add more admin by same method. Press * return to previous menu. You can add ordinary user here. Press to add ordinary user. Press 1, add user, and press pound to confirm.
New password.
Lock initialization. Press *# enter system settings. 123456 end with pound default password when lock in factory state. Press 1. Admin setting. Press for .factory reset. Press pound to confirm. Lock and unlock from interior house.
Press it. You can lock the door from inside, and this is the unlock button. Press it, you can unlock it from inside.
How to charge the battery?
You can charge it by the micro USB when the power is off.